du soleil, pas du soleil, pas du soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Hi everyone, Kalholi here, and I thought I'll do a holy vlog sort of thing. I'm sorry if I look so flustered and dirty and tired because I just finished cleaning the room. Whenever I feel like I'm struggling with anxiety, negative thoughts, life में कुछ ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, I feel like when I clean and I make the space around me cleaner and organized, I get a feeling that my thoughts also get organized and that I can think clearly. So, one of the ways that I've been dealing with a little bit of depression lately, I'm trying to do these small things that can make me feel grounded and happy. Ultimately, it's the small actions that add up and make a huge impact on your life. इसलिए अगर आप में से भी कोई, if you're struggling with mental health right now, it's very normal. A lot of us are going through that. Hi guys, I'm back after a shower. One of you asked me कि अगर acne से related anxiety है, especially if you have cystic acne, then what should we do? It's very normal to have anxiety when you have acne. I have struggled, I know it. You cannot think about anything else but the acne. It happens, it's normal. One of the things that will definitely help you is knowing the fact that there is a solution for acne, cystic acne, rosacea, any kind of acne. There is a solution for it. It will completely heal. But you need to find the right dermatologist. Some of us will struggle finding the right doctor whose medicine works for us, but there is a solution out there. So, knowing that itself would relax you a little bit. Another thing that helps with anxiety is your breathing. If you slow down your breathing, you'll calm down your mind and you'll calm down your entire system, and that will help you with anxiety. So, what helps me is like longer exhales. So, if I'm really, really anxious, otherwise, I do it through my nose. That's another thing that will help you with anxiety. Now, the third thing is like I showed you guys, for me, it's very important to have my outside, the external environment, really organized and clean, because when I do that, I feel like my inside, my brain is also organized. So I usually relieve anxiety and that tension and that movement and what should I do next kind of energy. I take it and I turn it into cleaning my place. Fourth thing that has been helping me a lot with my anxiety is having a routine. It is so powerful having a routine. Just having a set time to go to sleep and a set time to get up. Now, if the anxiety is really out of control, the best thing to do is to work with an expert, work with a therapist, a counselor. It's important to know that when you cannot handle things, there is help. Sometimes things can get really, really difficult. You can have very negative thoughts. You can think about ending your life because you don't know where you're going. The anxiety can be really difficult to handle. In that case, working with a therapist would help you. If you can afford a therapist, work with a therapist. I'm sure there are many free services like this, counseling, which is available these days. You can give that a try. Or there are so many good videos on YouTube. People who are just freely sharing their knowledge and their words, and the words can be so impactful in relaxing you. But the key is to really set into your routine. So if you don't fix your routine, um, many things will go wrong. You need to fix your food, you need to fix your food, you need to fix your sleep, and you've got to fix your gut. I feel like mental health is not a joke these days. Everybody's struggling in some or other form. In future, it is very much possible that like having a therapist is just going to be as normal as having a general physician. It's going to become a necessity in the future, taking care of your mental health. So why not start now itself, when anyway the external situation is kind of forcing us to deal with all of these issues like the lockdown and the quarantine. Last thing that I feel that really helps with any kind of mental problem is spending time with your loved ones, spending time with your family if you're really close to them and you can confide in them. Just spending time with them, even if you sometimes need to force yourself, just sitting in their presence, exchanging their vibrations can lift you up. So for me, family time is like super important. So even when I have been really low, I would still spend time with family, and I think that is what has gotten me so far. Without needing medicine or without needing help, it was my family that got me through so many difficult times. On that note, tonight we are going to be celebrating Holika Dahan with my sisters, so it'll be fun around the bonfire, and I'll take you guys through some of that, and maybe I'll get ready and share that as well with you guys. Tomorrow is Holi. It's like a big festival for North Indians. It's a big festival for us. We dress up and we play with colors a little bit. It's mostly about eating food, yummy food. I'll see you guys soon then. Hey everyone, so now we're getting ready to go out for the Holika Dahan celebration. And just in the morning, I was talking about anxiety and acne related anxiety, and I ended up using the 2% BHA salicylic acid from Paula's Choice on my face. It's meant for body, but I use it on my face because the formula looks pretty safe for face as well. But then I ended up with red blotches on my skin. Like, I don't know if it's being captured on the camera. Let's see. Yes, you can see the redness on my skin, on my cheeks here and here. And all that anxiety that I was talking about in the morning, it all came. And I've already looked at my face some 5 or 10 times in the mirror. I'm now wondering that if this turns into a rash, then it'll take about 1 month to heal, and then it'll push my entire scar treatment by 1 month. And I had some plans in the beginning of April, and then I don't know, I'm not going to be looking good for them. So yeah, it is very easy to get carried away when it's your face, it's your skin. Lekin, just like I was telling you people in the morning, I'm just going to breathe it out. I mean, if it is going to happen, it's going to happen. What can be done? I'm just going to take deep breaths. I'm just going to be present with my skin and with myself. I'm just going to keep calm. So let's go have some fun. Hi everyone, it's the next day. It's Holi. Happy Holi to all of you and all your families. I hope you're safely enjoying this Holi with mask on and everything. I just finished playing with some colors with my parents, and they're busy cooking in the kitchen. There's lots of good food, and I'm ready. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is a kurta which was gifted to me by my parents. I mean, they have this little ritual where they get all of us clothes during Holi, and there's good food, and then we go over to our relatives or our neighbors and exchange, sweets and put some color on them. So there are lots of good vibes which are going around, and I hope that you guys can also tap into that energy. And if you're feeling low, if you're feeling anxious, just come out of your comfort zone a little bit, spend time with family and friends, and you will see that at least for some time your depression, your anxiety will subside. I mean, we're so lucky to have all these festivals in India where we get to have a break and we get to like tap into all this good energy which is flowing around. So it's very important to participate in festivals because it lifts up your mood, your spirit, and it's like a medicine for your brain, for your emotions. So I hope you guys will be able to lighten your heart and let go of all that insecurity about your skin and all that tension that you might have. I know it's not easy to play Holi when you have acne on your face. So I first did my skincare, applied my moisturizer, then my sunscreen, and my parents were very careful about putting color on my face. I'm just gonna dust off this color, and I'm just playing with dry colors anyway. So keep all these things in mind and participate in any way that you can. I hope my tips on anxiety helped you guys a little bit, and if you benefit from them, do let me know in the comments. Again, I hope you all are having a great festival season, and I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, enjoy some footage of Holi and have fun.